Binance versus Coinbase versus Crypto.com affiliate program 2025 comparison. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll compare the affiliate programs of Binance, Coinbase, and Crypto.com. So if you're looking to earn passive income by promoting crypto platforms, this video is for you. Pattern 1. Binance Affiliate Program. Commission. Up to 50% commission on trading fees from people you refer. How it works. You share your referral's affiliate link. Whenever someone signs up and trades, you earn a percentage of their trading fees. Extra perks. You can customize your commission split with your referrals. For example, share 10% with them to encourage signups. Best for people with large audiences or crypto communities, since Binance rewards high-volume referrals. HowtoMastery 2. Coinbase Affiliate Program. Commission. Around 50% of trading fees for the first 3 months of your referral's activity. How it works. After joining the Coinbase Affiliate Program through impact.com, you'll get a unique link. Share it in your content, and when someone buys or sells crypto on Coinbase, you earn a percentage. Extra perks. Trusted US-based platform, easier to promote to beginners. Best for content creators targeting beginners in the US or Europe, where Coinbase is most popular. NAS 3. Crypto.com Affiliate Program. Commission. Usually up to 50% of trading fees plus bonus rewards if referrals stake CRO, their native token. How it works. You invite users through your referral affiliate link. When they sign up and trade, you get commissions. Some rewards also come in the form of CRO tokens. Extra perks. Crypto.com offers a sign-up bonus to new users, like $25 in CRO with the Crypto.com card, which makes promoting easier. Best for affiliates who want to promote more than just trading, since Crypto.com also offers cards, staking, NFTs, and more. 4. Key differences. Binance, highest long-term earning potential, lifetime commissions up to 50%. Coinbase, great for beginners, but commissions only last for 3 months. Crypto.com, competitive commissions plus referral bonuses, but tied heavily to CRO token use. Which affiliate program is best? Choose Binance if you want the highest long-term income potential and have an international audience. Choose Coinbase if your audience is mostly beginners in the US or Europe. Choose Crypto.com if you want a balanced program with bonuses and plan to promote extra features like the Crypto.com Visa card. That's it for today's comparison. If this video helped you decide which affiliate program to join, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tutorials.